To the point. I don't have ammo. Fuck. Gotta capture the point. Just surrounding it. He's burning. We got one. I was floating around the corner. I just decided to float up there, and then I floated back. It's actually, I never knew, but you can stand back there. Yeah, I was standing back there. Cause you can float. I was floating for a long time, and then I hit like a wall or something. So then I came back. I came back in play, and then I started shooting him, and then I just see a mountaintop just knock that fool out. That was funny. I changed over to pulse rifle because I couldn't beat him. Good thing I did, because I was giving him points. He was looking at me. He's like, what the fuck? Where is he? Let me save this. Oh, F10.